Let's step into the design, for the Comfort Glide culinary mat isn't just a floor mat, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design makes it a standout addition to your kitchen decor. The mat isn't just a soft surface, it's an intelligently designed fixture that seamlessly integrates into your culinary space, becoming a visual and tactile delight. It's not just a floor mat, it's an aesthetic upgrade to your kitchen's comfort. But what truly sets the Comfort Glide apart is its comfort and support. This culinary mat doesn't just provide a cushion for your feet, it offers a plush surface that alleviates fatigue during long hours of cooking or standing. The high-density foam core provides the perfect balance between softness and support, making it an ideal companion for any kitchen task. It's not just a floor mat, it's a fatigue-fighting haven for your culinary adventures. Versatility is the Comfort Glide culinary mat's virtue. It doesn't just confine itself to the cooking area, it adapts to your lifestyle. Whether you're standing at the sink, prepping ingredients, or doing dishes, this mat is your versatile companion. The generous size ensures that you have enough space to move comfortably, turning your kitchen floor into a comfortable oasis. It's not just a floor mat, it's a multitasking marvel. Cleaning is a breeze with the Comfort Glide culinary mat. No need for complicated maintenance routines or specialized cleaning agents. The stain-resistant surface ensures that spills and splatters are easily wiped away, maintaining the mat's pristine appearance. The non-slip backing keeps it securely in place, providing stability for your culinary endeavors. It's not just a floor mat, it's an easy upgrade to a world of comfortable kitchen living. But what about durability? The Comfort Glide doesn't just prioritize comfort, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, it withstands the demands of daily kitchen use. The beveled edges prevent curling and tripping hazards, ensuring that your mat remains a steadfast companion in your culinary adventures. It's not just a floor mat, it's a durable investment in the comfort and style of your kitchen. Now, let's talk about the experience. The Comfort Glide culinary mat isn't just a floor accessory, it's a sensory delight. The plush feeling under your feet, the relief from standing fatigue, that is it for today. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button.